Go there. Is it created or not?
Still going now.
Yeah, how much time will it take, guys?
Should I refresh, sir, this one or?
No, don't do anything. It will take some time. Can you go? Okay, let's do one thing. Go to home. Go search for virtual machines. It's already there. You mean, no?
Shall I open, sir?
Open. Just 1 minute, guys. Subrat, can you go to that VM?
Yes, sir. I'm inside the VM only, sir.
Yeah, just connect that VM. Let's see. Yeah, done, guys. Succeeded. Finally, it's finished. Close it. Connect. RDP. Actually, it is okay. Download it. Actually, the port hasn't been yet created. Just don't connect. Cancel. Can you refresh? Go up. Can you again click on home? Virtual machine. Refresh the screen, guys, for 2 minutes. Virtual machine. After clicking virtual machines, it should get one IP address now. Here, refresh here, refresh. That means not that refresh. You have another refresh down. You did not get any public IP, guys. Refresh this. Go to notification. You did not get a public IP. Is it a free account?
No, it's paid account, sir.
Is it a free account or a paid account?
Paid account.
Then you should get one. You should get one public IP. Now, for free accounts, it will not. Okay, let's do one thing. Can you click on add VM virtual machine? Click that. Networking. If you a network interface there na network interface ADINIC, click that. We should get one public IP, guys. Otherwise, we can't do anything. We cannot log into that. Now, click on IP configurations, left pane. Yeah, click down. Yeah, click there. Before that, just click there. Not that, just on that line. Yeah, click it. Click. And here, click the button associate. Now, what are we doing, guys? Because we don't have any public IP for this VM, with this method, you can assign a public IP, guys. Can you click the button, create public IP? Create, new. Give one name, public IP.
Name, sir?
Yeah, any name, public IP, type public IP. Okay.
Public IP. Okay.
Okay. Now save. Now it is trying to create a new public IP for this VM. Sometimes what will happen, guys, when you create a VM, it will not come with a public IP. The public IP space is empty. If it is empty, guys, you cannot log into that VM, because to log into that VM, we need a public IP. Is it correct, guys?
Right.
Now, can you, yeah, now it has assigned. Now go back to home, go to home, click on virtual machines. Yeah, if you see, refresh this, refresh it. This is a public IP, guys, it has shown there. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, yeah, add VM, click on that. Now download this, connect RDP. Yeah, now download. Connect. Username, password. Do you remember correctly? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Now, guys, can you tell me what is this when we are actually logging into my VM? Can you tell me, guys, what is this for us? It is an on-prem AD. Is it correct?
Yes.
It is an on-prem AD for us. Now let's do one thing. Just wait for 2 minutes, guys. It will open the server manager. There we will see some AD.
So this is yes, sir.
Yeah, just wait, just wait.
This one should be no or yes, I think.
It is yes, yes.
Another question I have, sir. For Java application, this IIS is required, sir. If you deploy Java application.
Any application you require this IIS, but for the Java application, the procedure will be different. Can you remove this? Can you remove this into ma? George is on this line or not? George, you're telling something on the chat. I did not understand it. George, are you there on this call?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. What you are trying to say in the chat is something. There's something wrong. I'm not receiving any signal from the teacher. What you're not receiving any signal?
No, sir. You went for a call, right?
Okay.
So by the time he thought of what happened.
No worries, no worries. Okay. Now, Subrat, can you go to top right? You can see top right.
Top right, manage.
Yeah. Beside manage. No, the tools.
Tools.
Right side of manage. Where is manage?
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, click that. Yeah, click here. There is a concept called Active Directory users and computers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click that. Now you can see this, guys. This is a VM where Active Directory has already been set up. If you can see, this is your Active Directory screen, guys. If there is a server where you are having your AD, it will look like this. Now can you click on learning3.com? This is your domain. And can you click on users? Yeah. Now right click on users and create a new user. Here, guys, we are creating some new users in our on-prem AD, guys. New. At the end, there is user is there. Yeah, give one name. Don't give Subrat, any other name.
Who's another guy? Mahesh, right?
Yeah, any name.
Okay.
Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Yes. Next. Yeah, any password.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Don't do anything, just next. Finish. Let me create another user. Right click on the user. New user. New. At the end, user. Yeah. George.
George.
Yeah, George. Yeah, next. Password, any password. Next. Finish. Now, right click on the users again. New. This time select group. Top 3, top third one. Now give a group name sales. Yeah, okay. Now click on group sales. Sales is there, down. You can see, click that. Just double click sales. Down sales, double click. Members is there, members. Yeah, here add. And select search for George, G-E-O-G-E, yeah, George, only George. Spelling G-E-O, spelling is wrong. Cancel.
G-E-O.
R-G. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, okay. Click OK. Now, guys, just okay, apply OK. Okay.
Okay.
Now, guys, what you have just done in your on-prem AD, you have added 2 users. Is it correct? One is Mahesh, one is George. And you have created one sales group and you have added George to it. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, our intention is I want to migrate all data from this on-prem AD to my cloud AD. Is it correct?
Be right.
Now, close this, close everything. Close this, close that.
Well, close this, sir.
Don't close. Can you go to the next local server, left side, second one, top, left top. Yeah, click that IE enhanced security is there, right side. On is there, down, stop there, down, on, click that. Just off, because if you don't off it, it will not allow us to open any.
This one also off, sir.
Yeah,
Administrator user.
yeah, off. Yeah, okay. Now close this. Now close this. Why we have offed it, guys? When I tried to copy now, guys, minimize this. Don't close it. Minimize this. Subrat, there is a top minimize is there, na?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, can you open Slack? Yeah, there is another URL is there, na? Azure AD Connect.
Okay, sir.
Copy that. Don't click on that. Don't. Yeah. Otherwise, copy it. No worries. Copy the URL. Copy it and go to your VM. Open your VM. Open IE. Guys, if you don't turn off the security, this IE won't allow us to browse any websites. For that reason, I have turned the security off. Don't use recommended settings. Ask me later. Otherwise, ask me later. Yeah. Now open IE. Yeah, top, paste, Control V. Enter. Now, guys, Microsoft is giving us one tool, guys. The name of the tool is AD Connect. Why we use it? You actually use this tool to migrate on-prem data to your cloud data. So, guys, in any company, if they want you to migrate the existing on-prem data to the cloud data, you have to use this tool. For that, you have to download this tool, guys. Come down. Yeah, come down, download.
Connect. Okay.
Yes, run. Yeah, and now, yeah, just wait. Azure AD Connect. Yeah, just wait. I agree to the license and terms. Privacy notice. Yeah, use express settings. Now, guys, just wait here. If you observe the left pane, guys, it is showing connect to your Azure AD. The next one is connected to ADDS. First time, guys, here, guys, you have to give your Azure AD details. What are those details, guys? Can anyone tell me what is an Azure AD details?
Which we created first, like Azure.
Yeah,
No,
first tenant we have
active
created, na? Yeah, active directory tenant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
and you have created one global user. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, minimize that.
John.
John, minimize it. And I think you have stored that person. Yeah, go to that. Where is you haven't copied that? The global user details.
John was there, right?
No, there will be at something else also. So minimize this.
Okay.
Go to open home. Go to Azure Active Directory. Yeah, where is users? Where are you currently?
This is the one we created.
So not this. Just go again. Go to home. Yeah, click on Azure Active Directory. No. Open the next tab is there. Now, before this, there is a next tab. Top. Next tab. Top.
Next tab.
Browser tab is there. Na? Right
Okay.
side, there is a tab. Click that. This is your AD, na, guys. And this is your John is there. Na? Copy the username. John is the red tab. Not that. Just copy. Yeah, copy that.
Okay.
Because I want to push all the on-prem AD data to this tenant, na, guys.
Yes.
Now copy this and open, go to your VM, which is on my on-prem AD, and type it here. And give the password. Do you remember the password? Now, guys, don't hit next. Just wait for here. Now, guys, here what we are trying to do, we want to, because currently we are on on-prem AD, we are on my VM. So I want to connect it to that cloud AD. So how will I connect? To connect, guys, I need have global administrator details. So I have to given that. I have given that. Now click the button next. Now here, guys, the next time we need to give this on-prem AD details. First tab, given the, okay, wait for a minute. It will ask you to confirm it. And give the same username password. Email is John, Control-V. Yeah, next. Password. Sign in. Yeah, again, same password, current password should be the same password. And give a new password, guys. Because first time when you use any user which you have created an AD, it will ask you to change the password only for the first time. Because when you create one user email ID, next time that user will use that, na? Yeah, sign in. Wait for a minute. Verifying credentials. Connecting to Microsoft Online. That means you're trying to connect to the cloud AD. Examining domains. Just wait for a minute. Now, guys, wait here. Can you open the notepad? Here, guys, we have to give that Azure on-prem AD details. Minimize it. Open notepad. Now, just this is there, na? learning3.com. Copy. Paste it here. \. What is the admin user which you have created there? Subrat, I think. When you have created admin user, na, notepad.
Yes, sir. There is Subrat only.
Yeah, only learning3.com \. There you have to enter the username also. Subrat. Is it correct? Subrat, na? You have
Subrat only, sir.
Yeah, password. Because with these details you have created your on-prem ADVM. Is it correct, guys?
Right.
Yeah, next. Done, guys. Continue without matching. There is a checkbox is there, na? Click that. Next. Click the button next. Now, if you observe, guys, what you have just done, you have connected. First, the third step, you have given your cloud tenant AD details. Next, you have given your on-prem AD details. Then, guys, this AD Connect tool, what will it do? It will install. Click the button last. Now, what will it do, guys? It will take everything from the on-prem AD and it will push that everything into the cloud AD. Wait for a minute.
Venkat, like here the hierarchy is like first tenant and then AD account.
Yes.
Okay.
First, it will verify whether there is any AD, whether is there any AD which is present in online cloud with the global administrator user details. If it is there, then only it can transfer the data to the cloud AD. So first you have to give the newly created tenant AD details. You can see synchronization service. That means it is syncing your on-prem AD with the new AD.
Then what is the use which you created in the starting, right? One in the Azure directory, you created one user and created a group and
That
added.
is just show you. That is for
Oh,
just show you
okay.
how we create. That is just for an example.
Okay, that is also in tenant only we created it.
Yeah,
Right? This.
yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yes, yeah.
If you go to any company, this setup is already been there, right, sir?
Yeah, it is already there. You no need to create it.
We need to, if for example, a new user has joined, means we need to add a new user.
That's it. You have to add the user. You have to add the group.
If one user is rejoined, means we need to remove the user.
Yeah, delete the user. Actually, guys, we never deleted that. Delete any user from it. Actually, to delete any service, guys, either whether it is a user or service, you need to take a proper approval from your your TL or your project manager. Without having a proof of an email, you should not delete anything. Deleting means, guys, it's a crime in cloud. So when you are trying to commit the crime, please have a proof with you. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Because there is a certain cost assigned with that. Actually, don't perform the delete action on the services which you have created, guys. Now we are directly creating and deleting it. But in real time, guys, when you create one service, it will be there for at least 2 to 3 years. Is it correct, guys?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So don't ever perform delete operations on the actually, and you should not. You will never get delete, guys. You know that. You're not children, so you will never delete any service unless you have a proper authentication. You have an email proof.
Yes.
You always should have proper process, and you should always have an email proof when you are doing that. And that proof should also come from a project manager or product manager or higher person. Without confirming it again, don't delete any service, guys, in cloud. Yeah, can you minimize this? Let us see this. Minimize this and minimize this also VM. Can you go to the cloud? The tenant cloud. This is the now refresh here. Here only refresh. Let's see. No, we have on-premises directory synchronization is happening. Again, refresh that. Go to groups. Just click go to home. Otherwise, go to home. Azure Active Directory is there. Azure Active Directory.
Okay.
Search for Azure. Search for Azure Active groups. It hasn't come yet. So can you go back to that VM? Let's see. Just wait, guys. Wait. Meanwhile, let me explain the last concept, guys. Shall I do that now? Shall we wait?
Yes.
It will take some time. Can you minimize it? Go to the other tab, guys, where you are on your actual tenant. There is another. Yeah. Click on home. Okay, that I can show on my account. No worries. Let me show on my account. Once the synchronization is complete, just tell me.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I can use, This is also, I don't want to explain, but I put that in the resume, so I'm explaining it. But a simple concept, guys, service help. This is a beautiful service, guys. In real time, this service has already been set up. You guys no need to do anything. That's for sure. Because this will be set up when you create the cloud first time. What are these guys? Because you can see, guys, there are 4 services: service issues, planned maintenance, health advisories, and security advisories. What is this service issues, guys? Generally, because this is an Azure AD and it has more than 200 data centers. Is it correct, guys?
Yes.
Azure, yeah, there are a lot of data centers all over the world, and there are a lot of it will be in different regions. Now, guys, if you go here, click the button resource health, or you can go click the button health alert. Let's go to health history. I think there is something in the health history. No events. Okay, guys. Actually, you just go to the service issues, guys, and just click one alert, guys. What will it do? When you create a new service alert, you're creating an alert for, if you observe services, guys, all 229 available services in the cloud, and all 45 selected available regions in your Azure cloud. Then what you need to do, go to actions, guys. Here, if some service, guys, sometimes what will happen in the cloud, one service, it can be a storage account, or it can be any app service, it may not work. Is it possible, guys? You have installed one app service in UK South, guys. In this region, you have installed one app service, and what happened? That region has went down because of some war or some network failure, some problem. The reason is currently not working because it has happened, guys. What happened? There is a war between Russia and Ukraine, guys, which is happening currently now.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So
Yes, sir.
not it hasn't happened with Azure, but it has happened with Amazon. What happened? There was a data center in Ukraine, and it has been bombed by Russian military. Then what happened, guys? What will happen to the data inside the data center?
So the data will be lost.
But you know, for each and every main copy, there is a separate second copy will be there, na?
Right.
And if you have the first, second, third copy on everything on that particular region, what will happen then?
Means we can recover the data.
No, you can't recover the data if everything is on that single data center.
So then we can.
You crash.
Yeah, you can't do anything. Actually, guys, in real time, if some data center, if some service is not working, you can create an alert. And how will you create an alert? Just go to action, select action groups. If something is go down, guys, there will be action groups in your companies. Select one action group. Just a minute. And each action group, guys, will have emails. If you go to it, there is an email section. Each action group will have an email, notification email, guys. You have to give that person's email ID. You just type something, venkat@apsnocorporation.com. Then what will happen, guys? If anywhere in the world, if one service goes down, one email will be sent to you because that is you are the responsible person in your team. So if something goes down, if something is missing, an alert will be forwarded to you guys, so that you can take a proper action. Did you get my point, guys? If you create one service issue, if you create one service alert, so for example, app service of one particular region is not working, then if you set an alert, what will happen? Yes, you will receive an email from Microsoft to that person that in this region, this app service will not work for the next 2 hours. Then, guys, if our company has any service in that region, we should take one action. Proper action should be taken. We should inform the client that for the next 2 hours, the application may not work. Is it correct or not? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you get these type of alert, guys, what will happen? Before that particular service goes down, actually, we will get notification from Microsoft before 1 day or 2 days. We can inform that to our clients so that they can take some actions. Is it correct, guys? Okay. Do you understand that or not? Service issues. Service can be anything. App service, Azure SQL database. It can be story account. It can be anything, guys. If something is going down, if something happened to that service, if you create an alert, you will get an information. That's it. What is plan maintenance, guys? This is especially for everything is same, guys. Create a service health alert. Condition, you have to select all the services. Action, select one group, create. You need to create same process for all 4 things. when you create and when you give an email to it, what will happen? What is planned maintenance? Can anyone tell me? Okay, you know, guys, you may be having a lot of VMs created for your projects. And guys, if there is a Windows VM, you know, guys, periodically Microsoft installs some updates on those VMs. Is it correct? What is the update, guys? OS update.
New feature or new patches.
Yeah, new patches will be updated now, guys. At the time of updating the patches, the application, the Windows machine, will it get restarted or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. When you are restarting, it means you are shutting down the service and you are again starting the machine. Is it correct?
Correct.
In meanwhile, when you are shutting down that particular VM, all the services, all the websites which have been hosted in that VM will go down for some time.
Yes, yes, sir.
Definitely. When you shut down a VM, all the website will not work until you restart that again. Because with the planned maintenance, what will happen, guys? You will get a notification. That means in these regions, all VMs are going to be restarted or uploaded with new patches. Then, guys, if you have another VM in another region, no problem. The second VM, the load balancer, will take care about that. And if one goes down, it will redirect all the traffic to the next VM. You know that. Is it correct?
Right, sir. Correct.
So in the plan, if you select an alert, nothing will happen. Yes, you will receive an email from Microsoft. There is a planned maintenance of these VMs in this region. That's it. If there is any concern for you, you have to take an action. Otherwise, just leave as it is. Is it correct?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, what is an health advisory? This is very, very important, guys. Health advisories means if your VM, there is a VM, guys, which you have deployed one application on 2 VMs, and these 2 VMs are having a capacity of processing 1000 requests at the same time. But your traffic, guys, it is like 5000 requests at the same time. So, guys, you will get an health advisor like this application which has been deployed in that VMs may go down because a lot of traffic is rerouted to those VMs which is beyond its capacity. So it's a health advisory from Microsoft. So can you please increase the capacity of that VM, or you should create another VM added to that particular backend pool, and you have to increase the capacity. Did you get my point there?
It's nothing but it will notify all the user, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And what is a security advisory? Can anyone tell me what is a security advisory? If there is any chance of hacker attack on your application, you will receive this advisory, guys. What will it tell? The Microsoft cloud, one of your application has written a code by using which any hacker can come into the cloud and they can do some damage. If one application is hosted on your machine, you will receive a security advisory. Can you please delete this application, or can you please update the code on the application? Because of this code, one hacker can come into the cloud and he can do some damage. Did you get my point, guys? You can ignore all 3 alerts, but you never ignore this alert. If you see any security advisory alert, you have to take proper action on that. Do you get my point, guys?
Yes. Yes.
That's it, guys. Actually, service health is nothing but it will actually, but if you set all alerts for all these things, you will receive periodical notifications from Microsoft. By seeing the email, you need to take some proper action against that. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you share your screen, Subrat? What is the status?
Okay, my VM status. I think it is completed, sir.
Yeah. No, just minimize this.
Something is
don't do anything, just minimize it. You can exit, you can
okay.
Minimize the VM. I tell minimize the VM. No.
VM.
Yeah, VM is there now. VM.
One second, I could not able to select this thing because the sharing screen is not going up. Okay, now it okay.
Now can you refresh these groups?
Yes,
you
sir.
can come down. There is a sales group is there now.
Right, sir. I'll click on that.
Click that. There should be one user in it.
Okay, one user is there.
Members. Can you left side members?
Left side members. Okay.
There's one member now. This George, you have added it.
Right.
So can you go back to users? Let us go and set the users. Go home, Azure Active Directory. Down second. Yeah, click that. Users. We have created 2 users. Is it correct?
Right.
George and Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
So guys, what we have just done, we have actually migrated all the users from your on-prem AD to the cloud AD. Is it correct, guys?
Correct.
So do you understand, guys, how we created a tenant in my cloud AD and how we created our on-prem AD, how we created users there and users here, and how we migrated them? Do you understand the whole concept or not?
Okay. Only users will be migrated, not
Only
application.
only users, guys. Users are the most important part. Actually, if you are having any applications, they will also come here. Users, groups, and application registration. That's it. Only these 3 things will be migrated from your on-prem AD to this cloud AD. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now is it clear, guys? And I have already explained the resume. All the best for each and everyone. Just use the resume and with that apply for job. And one more thing, guys. If you want to learn some more concepts in depth, from 20th, a new batch is going to be started, where it's like a 40 or 50 hours class, where everything will be explained with the real-time projects. All projects will be there in those courses, and there is a discount is also there for you batch. So if you want to join, you can join that. Otherwise, with this course also, you can actually, by using the resume which I have given, you can apply for the jobs and you can get guys. No worries.
So we can share the interview question in the group, sir. If anything.
Yeah. I will do that in the group, guys. Don't worry.
No,
Okay?
for example, we go for interview. If anything, we are not
Yeah,
able.
there is the sample questions will be there, guys. I will share in the Slack.
Okay.
And in future also, if you get any doubt, you can actually share, contact me by using your WhatsApp group or the Slack, guys. Don't worry. I will be available.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. I think you have understood something out of this crash course, guys. Is it?
Yes.
Is it good or bad? How is it?
It was very helpful, sir. For me, it was very helpful.
Okay, good.
Yeah, Venkat, can you share like this yesterday's class you shared some
The project you have not shared, sir.
Yeah, I have shared before starting this class. You can see this. This is the Python project, and these are the steps. Okay, I have shared it.
No, you shared only the Python stuff. How can we do it for other things for React.js?
Okay, I'll share that also. Don't worry.
I can see only for Python steps,
Okay,
like Azure steps. Yeah.
Let me upload them also. Because I did not explain now, so I don't want to share it. But no worries, I'll share it. Let me go to the.
Can you explain quickly those just steps? That's it.
Same steps, guys. Only thing which will be different is the YAML script. Everything is same. Everything is same, guys. Only thing which will be different is the YAML script and the Docker file. When you see the Docker file, let me forward this. You know, guys, each and every project or language will have its own Docker files. Is it correct?
Yeah,
if you go to this project, if it is React, you know, this
sir,
React.
Please share your screen, sir. I haven't shared.
Okay. I did not share it till.
Okay, can you share those YAML and Docker files?
Yeah, it is already there. I have shared it in the Slack. Just check it out.
Yeah, it's Angular you shared.
Yeah.
Real estate for all main. That is
the React one. Can you let me open it? Can you see my screen, guys? Kubernetes, yes. If you see this, guys, if this is my Angular project, if you go and this is the Docker file, edit this. This is the Docker file, guys. With the help of this Docker file only, you will create that Angular image. In the same way, it will be having a YAML file also. With this YAML file, we are going to create the service is the load balancer. Do you know, guys? This is the image we have seen yesterday. Do you remember?
Yes.
And with this is Angular project details. In the same way, you will be seeing the real estate project. This is on where is the Docker file? On React, guys. You can edit it. Steps will be remain same, guys. This is your Docker file. In the same way, you will be having one. Where is there is a YAML file, guys. Where is it? Actually, it is not here, but I'll share, guys. Don't worry, I'll share that also. So, guys, each project should contain two things. One is a Docker file, one is the YAML file. The Docker file, by using the Docker file, you will actually create a Docker image. By using the YAML file, you will deploy it to the Kubernetes cluster. Do you remember, guys, the yesterday's class?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope I have done justice for this crash course. Let us see how you will succeed. I hope you will all get good jobs in DevOps, guys.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Have a great future. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Bye.